In this video, we will show you how to cancel an HBO Max subscription on your iPhone. If you guys want to get started with HBO Max, you can use the links down in the description. First, go to the https://max.com/subscription in a web browser. If you aren't already logged in, enter your email address and username to do so. If you're using a mobile device, tap your profile picture and tap subscription. If you're using a TV, select the clock icon and select subscription. Now, select cancel your subscription. This at the bottom of the page. If you don't see this option, your subscription is managed by the third party. You can see who bills you at the top. You can see the third-party billing section for instructions on how to cancel your subscription. Then click continue to cancel. You may need to select this twice. Your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period. So that's how to cancel HBO Max subscription on an iPhone. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with HBO Max. If this video is helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.